This film illustrates the sweeping of an arc on a moving surface, conducted on the rocket track at the Royal Aircraft Establishment at Farnborough. The first run shows a panning shot of the sled as it accelerates down the track, through the arc and onto the arrestor wire. The camera is running at 150 frames per second, so that the sled appears to travel at 1/6 its actual speed. The second run shows the same scene as before. If you look closely, you can see some side-to-side rolling and flexing of the wing as it accelerates. Next, a close-up of the arc is shown as the wing travels through it. Initially, the arc is driven ahead of the leading edge of the wing. This is followed by a simultaneous breakdown to the top and bottom surfaces. A single reattachment can be seen to occur to the underside of the wing. As the wing leaves the arc, the air gap behind the wing is broken down. This run shows the effect of scratches in the paint. These were made at 300mm intervals across the wing on both top and bottom surfaces. Note how the reattachments form to the same position down the wing. Later examination of the wing showed that in all cases the reattachments were to the scratch marks. The last run shows arc attachments to a plain carbon fibre reinforced panel on the top surface of the wing and bare aluminium on the underside. A multi-root attachment to the carbon fibre panels can sometimes be seen. On the underside, the arc is seen to jump down the wing in a series of short steps.